Hi everyone, welcome to Curious Being. Today we will be exploring some basics of ecosystem. Understanding ecosystems is a fundamental aspect of ecology and plays a critical role in how our planet functions. Let's start by defining what an ecosystem is. An ecosystem is a community of living and non-living components that interact with each other in a defined area. This means that everything from plants, animals and microorganisms to the climate, soil, water and light are all interconnected and have a direct impact on one another. It's like a complex web of interactions that keep the ecosystem functioning. Biotic and abiotic are the two types of components in an ecosystem. Biotic components refer to the living organisms within an ecosystem, while abiotic components refer to the non-living components such as the climate, soil, water and light. Biotic components include three main types. They are producers, consumers, and decomposers. Producers are a critical component of any ecosystem and play a fundamental role in maintaining its balance. Through photosynthesis or chemosynthesis, producers are able to convert energy from the sun or chemicals into food, which can then be consumed by other organisms. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants, algae, and some other bacteria convert light energy from the sun into chemical energy stored in the form of glucose. During photosynthesis, carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil are taken in by the plant, and the energy from the sun is used to convert these into glucose and oxygen. This glucose is then used as a source of energy for the plant. Chemosynthesis is a process used by some bacteria and organisms that live in environments without light. Instead of using the energy from the sun, these organisms use energy from the chemicals to produce food. Producers are the base of the food chain and are consumed by herbivores, which are in turn consumed by carnivores, and so on. Producers are important to the ecosystem because they provide the energy needed for all the organisms to survive. Consumers, on the other hand, are heterotrophic organisms that obtain energy by consuming other organisms. They are divided into three main categories. They are primary consumers, secondary consumers, and tertiary consumers. Primary consumers, also known as herbivores, are the first level of consumers in a food chain. They feed on producers or autotrophic organisms such as plants to obtain their energy. Examples of primary consumers include deer, rabbits, and caterpillars. Secondary consumers are carnivores that feed on primary consumers. They are the next level of consumers in the food chain and serve as a source of food for higher level consumers. Example of secondary consumers include hawks, foxes, and snakes. Tertiary consumers are the top predators in a food chain and feed on both primary and secondary consumers. They are the final link in the food chain and play an important role in controlling the population of lower level organisms. Examples of tertiary consumers include lions, eagles, and humans. Decomposers play a crucial role in maintaining ecosystems balance by breaking down dead organic matters such as dead plants and animals and recycling their nutrients back into the environment. They are heterotrophic organisms that obtain energy through consuming dead organic matter. Fungi and bacteria, which are part of the decomposer group, help recycle the nutrients back into the soil, making them available for other living organisms. The absence of decomposers would result in accumulation of dead organic matter and depletion of nutrient levels, leading to a decline in plants and animal populations. Thus, decomposers play a significant role in the ecosystem's life cycle of life, death, and rebirth. Moving on to the abiotic components, there are four main types. They are climate, soil, water, and light. The climate refers to the temperature, precipitation, and other meteorological factors that affect the ecosystem. The climate has a direct impact on the types of plant and animals that can live in a certain area, such as polar bears living in the Arctic and lions living in the savannas. Soil is a mixture of organic and inorganic matter, minerals, water, and air that covers the Earth's surface and support plant growth. It provides essential nutrients, physical support, and water to plants. The composition of soil varies depending on the climate, geology, and vegetation in a specific region. Soil characteristics such as its nutrient level, acidity, and structure play a crucial role in determining what type of plants can grow in a particular area and how well they will grow. Proper management of soil is crucial for maintaining its health and productivity. Water is a vital aspect of any ecosystem as it plays a crucial role in determining what types of plants and animals that can thrive in that environment. The availability and quality of water in an ecosystem can greatly impact the survival of different species. For instance, cacti can survive in hot and dry deserts because they have evolved to conserve water, allowing them to thrive in an area with limited water availability. Light is a crucial factor in ecosystems as it impacts the growth and survival of plants and animals. The amount and intensity of light available can determine the type of species that can thrive in a particular environment. For example, some deep sea creatures have evolved to live in complete darkness, adapting to the lack of light in their environment. In conclusion, components of ecosystem provide a comprehensive understanding of how living and non-living elements interact with each other in a defined area. Biotic components such as producers, consumers, and decomposers, and abiotic components such as climate, soil, water, and light play a crucial role in functioning of an ecosystem. So that's all in this video on components of ecosystem. If you like the video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you want us to make a separate detailed video on any topic discussed in this video, please write it in the comments. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.